today I'm going to be drawing Job Sahur from Stealer Brainrot. So let's begin. Step number 1 is to draw the page. So I'm going to draw this rectangle here for the page. I'm finished with the page. Now I'm going to write job over here and I'm going to shade it in. You can fast forward this if you want. I'm finished with the J. Now I'm going to do the O. Now I'm finished with, I'm gonna do the B. I'm finished writing job, so the next step is to make the eyebrows. I'm finished with the first one, so I'm going to make a circle and I'm going to make the pupil and I'm going to shade it in. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Now I'm finished with the eyes, I'm going to make the mouth. First I'm going to make the front of its lips. I'm finished. And then I'm going to come down and then make this big smile. And then I'm going to fill it in with teeth. If you want to make a teeth, you can just go down and left. Down and left, down and left, down and left. And on this side you can go down and right, down and right, and so on. And for this part I'm just going to draw a line. And then same over here. I'm also going to make these a bit short, so I can make the tongue properly. And then that's it. And then for the tongue, I'm gonna go up and come down. Yeah, now we're finished with the mouth. What I'm gonna do now is make several pages on Job Sahur. So it looks like it's a tiny booklet. I'm gonna go down. And I'm going to stop there. I'm going to make the shoulder now. And then I'm going to make the arm. I'm finished with the arm. Now I have to make the paws. 1. And then Job Sahur has 4 fingers. So up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I think Job Sahur has his thumb in squares between his fingers. I'm not sure though. And then I'm gonna come up to make sure it's a bit more realistic. So I'm also gonna make this so it looks like this finger is bending down. And then over here, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I have to make a bat as well. So I'm gonna come down and put them with the shoulder and then and then I'm gonna make his paw, which is holding the bat. And now it's time for his 3 other fingers. And here, 1, 2, 3. I'm done with the fingers, and then the bat is supposed to go here. Make a straight line. Okay. Curve. Come down. I'm finished with the bat. Now I have to make the legs. So what I want to do now for the leg is I'm gonna make them straight for one and bent for the other. So it looks like he's walking. This leg is gonna be straight, and now make the shoe. And this leg is gonna be bent. And then inside of the shoe. I'm finished with drop Sahur shoe, and then the final touches, or should I say touch, is just to make this line here so it looks like he has double chin. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.